Is it this one?
Nope.
How about this one?
We were floating.
Yeah, in the all-terrain Winnebago.
Oh, this?
It was like a boat.
Oh, you mean this one?
Yes, it was the boat of love. And we all fit the part so beautifully.
A boat just floating at sea doesn't seem all that special to me. But this boat, it's no ordinary one. It is different. It's the boat of love. This boat is a magical boat that will make you swoon and fall in love. The boat just floating at sea doesn't seem so special to me. It's the boat.
Wait a minute, Larry. Hold the phone there. That's not how it was at all. It wasn't the boat of love. It was, oh, it was a pirate ship. Yeah, that's what it was. Yeah, it was a pirate ship. Ahoy there, mateys. Shiver me timbers. Batten down the hatches. Avast there, you land lovers. Somebody clean off the poop deck. Here we go. All right, mateys.
We sail the ocean blue, and the saucy ships of beauty. We are pirates and we're true, and attentive to our duty. When the ship whistles free o'er the bright blue sea, we stand on the bow all day. When at anchor we ride o'er the Portsmouth tide, with plenty of time to play. Ahoy, ahoy, we're sailing at sea. Ahoy, ahoy, the bright blue sea. We are pirates who have fun all day. Oh, we sail in the ocean blue, and the saucy ships of beauty. We are pirates and we're true, and attentive to our duty. When the ship whistles free o'er the bright blue sea, we stand on the bow all day. When at anchor we ride on the Portsmouth tide, with plenty of time to play. Ahoy, ahoy, we're sailing at sea. Ahoy, ahoy, the bright blue sea. We are pirates who have fun all day. We sail in the ocean blue, and the saucy ships of beauty. We are pirates and we're true, and attentive to our duty. Our saucy ships of beauty, we're attentive to our duty. We are pirates who have fun sailing the ocean blue.
That's not how I remember it.